Let's start. What are prepositions? A preposition is a question word that tells us where something is. For example, in, on, under, at, above, behind, etc. Types of prepositions. There are three types of prepositions: preposition of time, preposition of place, and preposition of directions or movement. Preposition of place. This indicates where something or someone is located. For example, in, and in, on, under, between, next to. Preposition of time. This indicates when something happens. For example, in, on. Preposition of direction, movement. This shows movement from one place to another. For example, into and across. Through, toward.